So it's time for an ADC update, so I'll just get straight into it. Start off with a watch. Got the Seconda dive watch. Now at the minute this is the only watch that I've got that's working, barring my newest Casio watch. But I'm just wearing this one as a work watch and just an ADC watch, just because I can't find the newest one. I know where it is. In the other watches that I've got, the pin that holds the strap to the watch is come off of both of those, so I can't be bothered to sort those out, and they'll stay that way until I can be bothered. So this is the only watch I'm using now. So that's that. Multi-tool. Still got the Leatherman rebar. Keys. Haven't changed since the last video. I've got the Kubotan, the Olight i3 EOS, or i3E EOS, which is having problems now. Sometimes it doesn't want to switch on. Or it blinks. It doesn't come on full even though there's a brand new battery in there, so I'll have to replace that. Still got the Squared PS4, the Uncle Bill Slither grippers, the Phoenix NW20 whistle, the Allen key for the camera thing on my bag, new key for the lock on the bike, also modified the bike as well. So added an engine to the bike. Headphones, still got the JLabs. These are awesome. Really like them. Got the Loop earplugs. Also awesome. Highly recommend those. Got a coin pouch with coins in. And wallet. Got a Triovax Summit Armor wallet. And the pen. Going with a Maxpedition Spigata. And bandana / Hank. Japanese Tanangui. And that's it for my personal ADC. So the work bag is still the Czechoslovakian M60. Won't bother getting into it, hasn't changed since the last video, but that's the work bag. So inside the camera bag, I've got a Canon 4SD, I think it is, or SB. Film camera made in 1956 with a Soviet Russian 50mm lens on. Very sexy camera. I like it a lot. And I've also got a modern camera, Sony A7 with a budget Chinese TT Artisan lens, which I really like. Then I just got a few other accessories. Got a mini tripod, light meter for the film camera, which I never really use. Been shooting film for long enough now where I can just guess it and get it pretty accurate. Got a GoPro. And just a cleaning brush. with a swab on the end and a cleaning cloth, and that's it. So that is my EDC for this month. If anyone's wondering about the legalities of the engine on the bike, it's 50cc, it's got a top speed of 20 miles an hour. I did it 3 weeks ago. I've had maybe 5-6 police cars go past off the top of my head. I've got to go past a police station to get to work. I've only been stopped once, and that was just to ask about the bike, and I just told them 50cc, 20 mile an hour, and they just stopped us mainly because I wasn't wearing a helmet. So that was that. And yeah, anything over 50cc, and if it's more than 20 miles an hour, it's classed as an off-road motorbike if you're using it in public, so it needs to be registered in that. So that's that. Good bike though. It's close to 100 miles to the gallon, I think. 2 strokes, so it's easy to fix. You get them as a kit on eBay. It's like £120. You've got to put it together yourself. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching.